Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have a case from the company Humixx for my iPhone 13 Pro here. Now this is a complete 360 protection for your phone. They also make it for other iPhone 13 models. So if you are interested in purchasing this after watching this video, I will put my Amazon affiliate links down in the description. You're going to spend around 29 bucks for this, and that is going to include Prime shipping as well. So let's take a real quick peek here at the actual packaging. So pretty simple packaging on the front and pretty basic on the back, but we didn't come here to look at the box. We came here to look at what's inside the box. So I've already kind of started peeling this up. So got that there. So that's exactly all you got to do, guys. And just pull that sticker and it's going to reveal the contents inside the box. And here we go. So this is exactly what you're going to get. So we have a case, which I will take a peek here at the case. So this is a very nice, rugged, semi-translucent matte black case here. So I'm going to kind of put that to the side, but you get some other goodies inside the box, which makes this actually well worth that $29. So one is you do get two 9H tempered glass screen protectors. So we get two screen protectors. You get two installation toolkits here. So obviously it's going to have the little wet wipes and the sticky labels and all that to get the dust. And then we are also going to get two lens protection tempered glass screen protectors here. So let's go ahead and get this out here real quick. I'll show you what it is. So there it is. So it's a 9H screen protector, or lens protector, I should say, not screen protector, that you're actually able to apply on the iPhone 13 Pro and give yourself some extra protection when it comes down to it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out here. So there it is. So very nice tempered glass there. So as you can see, you got the little cutout there. So we're good there. And then I'm going to put this to the side here. I'm going to take one installation kit here, which let's see what actually comes inside of it, which it said the content on the front, but let's just look. So we got some sticky labels there, wet wipes, a little microfiber cleaning cloth, and then another kind of like cinch to kind of help get that lint and stuff off the screen. So there is no installation guide as far as, you know, putting it on and then dropping it down. So you're going to have to eyeball it here a little bit. So what I'm going to do is just scooch this over, flip my phone over. So I've already taken off my current tempered glass that I've used for quite a while now. And what I'm going to do is get the wet wipe out. One thing I can point out is that it is very moist and wet, which I'm sure if there's any girls watching this, then y'all probably hate that word. But I'm going to get this wiped down. So I'm just going to grab it here, wipe it down, get it nice and clean here. All right. And then I'm going to use the provided microfiber cloth here and wipe it down. Okay, looks pretty good. And then just to do it, I'm going to get the little cling sticker here. And then basically just use it to just get any other little things that I missed or didn't see as far as little lint or fuzz or anything. Because when you're installing a tempered glass, the last thing you want is to put it on and see a stupid little piece of hair that you missed. And that drives me nuts. So I think we're good. So next, I'm going to go ahead and get the tempered glass here. So I'm going to peel this back, and as I peel it back, it's revealing the sticky side. And then I'm going to flip it over, and let's put it on. And let it do its thing. Let the air bubbles work itself out for a split second. So pretty much almost got all the way out on its own, except for this one little spot here. So I'm going to use the provided microfiber cloth once again and just try to use my fingernail and squeeze that air bubble out. Okay, and there is the tempered glass installed. Let's just test the responsiveness real quick here. So very fluid. Doesn't really seem like there's any issues at all as far as all that goes. So definitely a nice screen protector. Now, one thing to say is it probably could have went down just a tad bit. It looks like I might have went a little bit higher, but it's not like interfering or anything. It does feel smooth right there. So maybe I did it right, but it just kind of looks like I might have been able to go down just a tad bit, but no big deal. And then now what I'm going to do is get this. Now this is something new for me. I have not installed one of these before on my camera lenses, which it should be pretty simple and pretty straightforward. So there's still plenty of kind of moistness on this. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of try to clean this up real quick and then use the provided microfiber cloth once again. Try to just dry it and clean it up real quick. Okay, looks pretty good, but I will share a little tip that I have been doing in the background, and that is actually using a makeup brush to be able to kind of get in there and kind of dust out the little spots that I can't get in between those lenses. And it actually helps quite a bit being able to kind of get in between where my microfiber cloth wouldn't be able to get into normally. So just a little pro tip slash not pro tip. So now I'm going to go ahead and just put it down here. Let's get this out here. So let's see how to get this bad boy out. Oh, that's it. So you just push it. And there we go. And let's just get it lined up. Try to be very careful with it. All right. So let me go ahead and just use the microfiber cloth once again to push that down. And there it is installed. So it's it just sits on top. I thought there would be little cutouts for the lenses to be able to be exposed. But it's a tempered glass, so it is completely covering. The only thing that's not covered up is the actual flash cutout there. So it is a cutout there, and also a little dot there as well that's cut out. So other than that, everything else is completely covered. And you can see there how much it kind of sticks out a little bit. So it does just kind of slap it right on, but it's about the same height as the lens. But there is 360 protection. So you got that on your camera lenses, you got this on your screen, and then to kind of put it all together, you just put the phone in its case, and there we go. And it's not bad looking, actually. Looks kind of cool. So this is a very nice case here. I've had one similar from Humixx that had a MagSafe ring on it. This one does not. But as you can see through it just enough to be able to see the Apple logo in certain lighting. Matte finish, kind of nice material. You can kind of see how that camera bump looks there. So there it is, nice camera protection. But with this tempered glass, it's almost exactly right there. So like it doesn't extend out. It's perfectly in line with that there. Have a nice power button here that has some teeth on it, and it is raised, as you can see. And then going to the bottom here, we do have a reinforced corner here, and then we do have our cutouts for the lightning port and the speakers and stuff down below. On this side, we do have the Humixx branding there, so you can see that. Volume up and down buttons here with the teeth that are raised once again, and a nice little cutout there for the alert slider. And then that's the look of the top of it. So obviously nothing much to talk about, but that's the look. Now the front does have some screen protection, as you can see. So there's definitely some lips that are raised above the screen. So adding it with the tempered glass is a nice little fitment there. And that's the look of the front. So that's kind of how it looks there. Looks pretty nice. That's the look of the cutout for the speaker up top. Now let's go ahead and do the wobble test real quick. So let's see how shaky this is. So let's start with the back. I mean, there's a little bit of a shake there, as you can see, but not a whole lot. And then putting it face down, there's no shaking at all. So very nice. Feels good. Pretty good little weight, or lightweight, so not heavy, I mean. So yeah, now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button first. And volume up and down. Okay, so very tactile, very clicky button, so definitely 2 thumbs up there. Now let's see how easy it is to get to that alert slider. Pretty dang easy, no issues at all with that. So not bad at all. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and do the MagSafe capabilities with this. So I'm just gonna slap it on there. And as you can see, it is MagSafe compatible. So no issues at all. Now, obviously the downside to this case is there's no built-in magnets, but as you can see, I mean, it does find it and holds. But at the end of the day, just a quick little shake and it will come right off. So you're not able to use this with car accessories for MagSafe and everything like that. But at the end of the day, this case will do just fine if you do put it just on your desk or something like that. Yeah, guys, I mean, all in all, it's a pretty nice case. It's fairly slim. It's very rugged. So according to Humixx, it can withstand 12 feet of drops. So definitely pretty dang good drop protection. And with their testing, I think it said that they do it like 8,000 times at that height. So definitely not bad at all. Has a good grip to it. Feels good in the hands. So definitely, I would have to say this is a pretty good little case, especially for the complete combo for 30 bucks. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.